Balanced living in a busy world is a challenge for all of us. Life is constantly on the fast track, and it's hard to keep up with the rapid changes around us. Not only are we constantly battling the rigors of modern living, we also indulge in unhealthy dietary habits without considering the side effects and damage they can cause to our body. Our modern lifestyle, which includes high stress levels, poor diet, excessive alcohol, medication, poor water quality, processed fast food, exposure to hazardous pollutants like pesticides and herbicides, and inappropriate rest put a lot of stress on our liver, which can lead to liver problems. Our liver is the second largest organ in the body. It metabolizes carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. It extracts nutrients such as iron and vitamin A, B12, and D from the bloodstream and stores them for future use. The liver also regulates blood clotting and detoxifies the blood by filtering toxins such as drugs, hormones, microbes, and alcohol. Even if you lead a healthy lifestyle and practice good eating habits, your liver still undergoes subtle trauma every day due to the air pollution in the environment we live in. The Environmental Protection Agency of the United States estimates almost 6 trillion pounds of chemicals are released into the environment each year. Some of these inevitably make their way into your bodies via the air you breathe, the food you eat, and the water you drink. As your body's primary organ for detoxification, the liver processes everything you eat, drink, or inhale. Your liver is the only internal organ that can regenerate itself after injury. But with daily exposure to harmful chemicals like these, even its restorative powers can be overwhelmed. If your liver is unhealthy, you could suffer from typical symptoms of liver problems, such as extreme tiredness, a feeling of general poor health, weight loss, loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting, fever, abdominal pain, itchy skin, and an enlarged or tender liver. Jaundice may also develop. A poor liver is also more susceptible to hepatitis A, B, and C virus infection, and the probability of liver cancer increases. In fact, liver cancer is one of the top 5 common cancers among Malaysian males, and most sufferers acquire it through hepatitis B. In order to avoid these problems, you need to adopt a healthy lifestyle. After all, creating a good and healthy life is in your hands. It's something you can cultivate. Some of the small but powerful changes you can make to your life include going for a diet that has lots of vegetables, fruit, beans, and whole wheat cereals, and is low in fat. Drinking plenty of clean water. Avoiding or limiting alcohol consumption and exposure to environmental toxins. Incorporating antioxidants such as vitamin A, C, and E into your daily diet. Apart from adopting these healthy habits, there are also natural herbs that you can take to protect your liver. One such herbal remedy that has been known in Europe and other Mediterranean countries since ancient times is milk thistle. It is a recognized natural supplement that can prevent liver damage. It is effective in managing chronic liver diseases and in protecting the liver from toxic chemicals, alcohol, drugs, and chemotherapy. Milk thistle has been used in Europe to treat liver problems for thousands of years. In modern-day research, milk thistle has been proven to protect the liver from damage. The detrimental effects of environmental toxins, alcohol, and drugs may be countered with this valuable herb. This is largely due to the active chemical components in the herb that are collectively called silymarin. Silymarin has the ability to stimulate the growth of new liver cells to replace old damaged cells. It can also prevent free radical damage by acting as an antioxidant. In fact, silymarin is at least 10 times more potent in antioxidant activity than vitamin E. Milk thistle nutritionally supports the liver's ability to maintain normal liver function. It has shown positive effects in treating nearly every known form of liver disease. These include cirrhosis, which is the scarring of the liver, hepatitis, which means inflammation of the liver, necrosis, and liver damage due to drug and alcohol abuse. Apart from preventing liver damage, milk thistle can also stimulate the production of new liver cells to replace old damaged ones. It also blocks the absorption of toxins into the cells and stimulates the secretion of bile, a substance that helps carry away wastes and is needed for the breakdown and absorption of dietary fats. It is essential that the milk thistle extract you choose for your liver's health provides you with a minimum amount of silymarin in each dose. Dandelion has been for centuries used to treat liver conditions such as jaundice and hepatitis and to encourage normal digestion. It also has a high concentrate of vitamin A and choline, a B vitamin that stimulates the liver. Turmeric, which supports liver and gallbladder functions by stimulating the flow of bile. It is also high in vitamin C, an important antioxidant. These natural ingredients respond very effectively to our body, providing the supplement that supports and enhances our daily health. It is never too late to begin the process of taking greater control of your health. Make the smart choice with milk thistle and dandelion, a convenient mix of natural herbs that support our liver. If you want to make big changes in your life, start by making small ones. They can really matter and last. The above information is brought to you by Neutralite, best of nature, best of science.